sung by Bet and Linda Ronstadt. And they couldn't be here today, sorry. The arrangement you are going to hear was written by Jadine Louie, who is director of the San Francisco Gay and Lesbian Freedom Band for 10 years, and has guest conducted the Desert Winds Freedom Band at least 3 times. Here in our tribute to all of our brothers and sisters, Danielle, Lovell, Walsh, and Zena Kuhn with Sisters.
Never had to have a chaperone, no sir. I'm here to keep my eye on her, carrying, sharing every little thing that we are wearing. When a certain gentleman arrived from Rome, she wore the dress and I stayed home. All kinds of weather we stick together, the same in the rain or sun. 2 different faces, but in tight places, we think and we act as one. Those who've seen us know that nothing can come between us.